This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. 1pc might just most satisfying is undoubtedly super practical for everyday use. Stop scrolling right now. The engineering behind this unit is brilliant, ensuring that it works exactly as advertised. It is incredibly user-friendly ADN, built out of highly durable components. The standout factor is definitely how it handles heavy usage without any issues. It delivers top-tier results effortlessly. If you want something that actually works as advertised, this is it. Don't wait until it's back-ordered everywhere today without any delay. This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. 1pc might just most satisfying is undoubtedly super practical for everyday use. Stop scrolling right now. The engineering behind this unit is brilliant, ensuring